why do you look so down?
I want to prepare for the NMMS, but I have no idea where to start.
Oh,
Don't worry, I'm here to help. Gory Smart Channel has everything you need for NMMS prep. Just check it out. Subscribe, like, and share.
Really? That's awesome. I'll subscribe to Gowrie Smart Channel right away. Thank you so much.
Hi friends, welcome to Gowrie Smart Channel. Today we are going to discuss about missing character. What is this missing character? Missing character means they will give 5 numbers. In these 5 numbers, one number they will give either X or question mark. That number we have to find using squares, cubes, tables, everything we have to use, and logics. You know 100 squares, but you don't know how to apply. Then you can't do this problem. So application mind should be there, and logic should be there, and the reasoning should be there. So like this diagrams, 3 problems will be given, 3 diagrams will be given. First 2 diagrams, how the X is coming, you have to observe. The same method you have to apply in the third diagram. So I am giving 1, 1, 1, but in exam, this is 3 diagrams, this is 3 diagrams, this is 3 diagrams. Means 5 numbers means if the diagram will be like this or like this or like this. Whatever the diagram may be there. But 5 numbers are there, in that 1 number is missing means we have to find using these formulas. So these are the formulas I discovered. I analyzed the logics, all formulas. Using these formulas, you can find very easily. Actually, this is a very, very difficult topic, but using these ideas, I am giving ideas. So still so many ideas are there. You can find the remaining ideas also. If you observe these 10 formulas about these 5 numbers, missing 1 number, you can find very easily. What are those? Let us see. See A, B, C, D in the clockwise direction they are giving, for example. So I want X. How to find X? By adding the numbers. Sometimes if it is easy problem, by adding the numbers you will get the answer. Still it is somewhat difficult. By adding the numbers and making the squares, you will get the answer. Still it is very difficult by multiplying the number. Means, so it is a very big answers. Options is having very big answers. Means what we have to do? We have to multiply. Still it is very, very big answer. The multiplication square you have to take. Or very, very less numbers are very, very easy numbers. What we have to do? These 2 numbers you have to add. These 2 numbers you have to add. Then the resultant values you have to add. That is the answer. Sometimes if you do that is also you won't get. Then what you have to do? This result minus this result. Not like that. Opposite numbers adding. Then that result is adding. Opposite numbers adding. That result is subtracting. Means this result minus this result. This is. Sometimes if you do that is also not happening. What happened? Then AC into BD. Now just before we have added. Now we are multiplying. AC and BD. AC minus BD. Or AC plus BD. Sometimes if you do that is also not possible. Then what happened? So these 2 numbers adding squares. These 2 numbers adding squares. That difference you take. Or these 2 numbers add squares. These 2 numbers add squares. That is addition. Do that one. So like that, if you do trial and error method, so many methods, so squares and cubes and tables, so definitely you will get the answer. You will get the answer. Let us suppose to take one example. If I take one example, you can easily understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, X. Now, how I get answer X is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is equal to 10. If my answer is 10 is there, then this is the logic. If my answer is 10 is not there, how to go for next one? Means what? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 whole square. Means what? 10 square. That is 100. So 100 will be there. If 100 is not there, go for next method. So multiply all numbers. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So that is 24. So 24 will be there. If 24 is also not there, go for next method. What? X is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 whole square. Means 24 whole square. That is 576. It will be there. If it is also not there, go for next method. What is? adding the opposite numbers. So a plus b, side by side number, a plus b and c plus d. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10 already we got. So now we do reverse. So 1 plus 2, 3, 7 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 3, that is 4. 4 will be there. If it is also not there, opposite numbers. So 1 plus 3, 4, 6 plus 2, 6. Means 6 plus 4, that is 2. If you add, you will get a 10 because already we have added all numbers, isn't it? So means these two numbers adding, these two numbers adding, that difference you are taking. These two numbers adding, these two numbers adding, that difference you are taking. You may get sometimes like that also. Next. Now multiplication. See, 1 2s are 2, 4 3s are 12. Means 12 minus 2, that is equal to 10. It is not possible. Now do like this. So 1 3s are 3, 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. If it is not there, then add. So 12 plus 2, 14. 8 plus 3, 11. If it is subtraction is not there, add. So it may be getting. Next. A plus b whole square and c plus d whole square. See, these two numbers square means 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 5. So this is 5 minus 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. So 25. So 25 minus 5 is 20. If you do subtraction, if you add, you will get 30. So 25 plus 5. So like that we have to do in different way, logically. So very creatively you get answer. And at the last one, a square plus d square. So these squares adding and these squares adding and this result minus this result. If you do like that, you will get the answer. So like this are the, I am finding most very important methods, 10 methods. Still so many are there, but you do by practice only you will get. If you by heart this 10, you won't get. By practicing a lot of problems, at least 100, because you will get 10 marks. So means you have do 10 times, 10 times bits means 10 times 100 bits. If you do practice, you will get definitely 10 out of 10 in this chapter. So for your practice, already I explained 100 bits in missing characters. You can watch in my previous videos, which is in the description and which is in the playlist. You can watch there. Okay, but it is in a Telugu medium. Now, type 2. What is type 2? What is type 1? Type 1, what we have seen, 5 numbers are given. 5 numbers are given. In that, one number is missing. We, using this formulas or using this logics, we are finding that number. Now, one number is reducing. So, means our burden is reducing. Our burden is reduced because how many numbers will be reduced, that much of a burden will be reduced. Now 4 numbers will be given. In that one number is missing. See here, missing this number. Here this number is missing. Here this number is missing. Means I am giving x. So in the exam they may ask question mark. They may ask question mark. Now let us see how to find. If 4 numbers are giving, one number is missing, it's very easy because these 3 numbers LCM you find, you will get the answer. You are not getting. These 3 numbers SCF you find. SCF. Still you are not getting. These 3 numbers multiply and some fixed number, divide that number. Some fixed number, whatever the number. So by C, so this is given 3 diagrams. You observe what this answer is getting. The same method you apply this one. Okay. Next. These 2 numbers multiplying, adding this number. Not getting. These 2 numbers multiply and add this number. Not getting. These 2 numbers multiply and add this number. Definitely you will get. Definitely you will get. Still you are not getting. Do this one. All squares you write first of all. All squares. So this square you write here. This square you write. This square you write here. These 2 add and subtract this one. Not getting. These 2 squares add, subtract this one. Not getting. These 2 squares add and subtract this square. You will get. Definitely you will get. This is the most very important models I observed over 50 model papers and 50 previous papers. That's what I have designed this method. Next. So these are the most very important methods I am discussing. Okay. So we'll take example. 2, 3, 4 x. Okay. So now what is the LCM of these three numbers? LCM. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the LCM, means x value is 12. If 12 is not the SCF. So SCF is 1 because 1 is the dividing every number. So there is no highest common factor, isn't it? Next, multiply this 3. So 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. This 24 is divided by either 2, either 3, either 8. So that's depending upon the previous two diagrams. Previous two diagrams you observe clearly which number they are dividing, either 2 or 3 or 8. The same number you have to divide, then you will get the answer, isn't it? Next. Already I explained. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 4, 10. It may be 10. No. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Still not there. Okay. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. Definitely your answer will be there. Definitely your answer will be there. Isn't it? Still you are not getting. Okay, do this one. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So 9 plus 16, 25. 25 minus 4, 21. You are not getting. Okay. 4 plus 9, 13. So 16 minus 13, 3. Not getting. Okay. 4 plus 16, 20. 20 plus 9, 11. Still not there. Add these are all. So 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 9, 29. You may get answer. You may get the answer. So like this you have to do. So use your left brain. Use your left brain, you will get the answer. Definitely you will get. So these are the types. Next. Type 3. What is this type 3? So coming to type 3, now still one more burden will be reduced. So they have given in the type 1 5 numbers, in that 1 number is missing. In the type 2, 4 numbers giving, 1 number is missing. In the type 3, 3 numbers only will give, 1 number is missing. 1 number is missing. See here. So like this, like this, like this, like this. Diagram may be anywhere, any type, any shape. Diagram may be any shape, but our logic is this is only. You don't think this diagram is having some rules, this diagram is having some rules, this diagram is having some rules, like that, not there. If 3 numbers are giving, 1 number is missing, what we have to do? That is, we have to think. That's the logic. Okay, now let us see. Simply thus 2 numbers add and divide with some number, then you will get the answer. Or simply you multiply these 2 numbers and divide with some number, you will get the answer. Or just multiply the 2 numbers, you will get the answer. So divide second number by first number and multiply some number. Or divide first number by second number and multiply with some number. Or so multiply these 2 numbers and take out square root. Take out square root, you will get the answer. Or squares numbers and adding, or squares number subtracting. Squares numbers adding or squares number subtracting. One example we will take. 3 and 4 I am taking. Okay. So 3 plus 4, 7. So divide with 7. 7 by 7 is 1. Isn't it? You will get. Or multiply. 3 4s are 12. So this 12 is divided by. So 3 4s are 12. 12 is divided by 2, or 12 is divided by 3, or 12 is divided by 4. So like that. So depending upon the previous 2 diagrams you see, and the same number you have to divide. Isn't it? Now multiply. 3 4s are 12. 12 may be there. Next. 4 by 3 into 6. Some fixed number. So 3 1s are 3 2s are. So 4 2s are 8 may be answer. If it is not 6, 12 is there. So 3 1s are 3 4s are. 4 4s are 16 is answer. Depending upon what number they are multiplying, we have to observe. Next. This is the most very important method. If it is there, definitely this square and this square we have to add. This square and this square, if you add, you will get the answer. So this is a Pythagoras theorem. So in the Pythagoras theorem, we have to add this square and this square, and you have to take under root. We have to take under root. So this is a Pythagoras theorem, most important. If it is also not getting, so take out square root of the product of the 2 numbers. So given 2 numbers product, you take and take out square. So root over 12. This can be written as 4 3s are 2 into root 3. 2 into root 3. So like that you have to do. Still 2 types are there. Let us see what those 2 types. Let us see. Now type 4. In the type 4, if you observe clearly, see, like this diagram will be given, or this type of diagram, or this type of diagram, or this type of diagram. Whatever the diagram they will give, we have to follow only some rules. See here, if this diagram is given, this is the condition. So this B is getting by multiplying these two and subtracting 1. This C is getting by multiplying 2 and adding 1. And so means subtracting 1, adding 1. First of all, you are multiplying, then adding, subtracting, adding, subtracting. So into 2 plus 1, into 2 minus 1. That is the method. So this is 1. If you are not getting, now these two numbers adding same number, these two numbers adding same number, these two numbers adding same number. So these two numbers must be added. That is the case. Otherwise, opposite number squares. Whatever the number is there, that square is opposite. Whatever the number is there, that square is opposite. Whatever the number is there, that square is opposite. So now we want the x, means the d square you will get. Answer d square. Otherwise, cubes. The opposite number may be cube. Opposite number may be cube. So like that you can find very easily. This is the very easy method. Next. Otherwise, opposite number twice. Opposite number twice. Opposite number twice. Opposite number twice. Otherwise, opposite number triple, means 3 table. Otherwise, opposite number 4 table. Otherwise, opposite number 5 table. So like that you can see. Otherwise, A is equal to 2 into D, this number. Next, B is equal to 2 into E, this number. So like that it will be there. So whatever the case are there, you have to do, identify the first. What is this? So, and what we have to do. Otherwise, some more, sometimes these two numbers adding, this number will be getting. These two numbers adding, this number will be getting. These two numbers adding, this number will be getting. These two numbers adding, this number will be getting. These two numbers adding, this number will be getting. These two numbers adding, this number will be getting. So like that also they will give. For example, I will give the one example for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 9. So then what will be the x? See here, clearly observe. 1 means 1 square, 2 means 2 square, 4, 3 means 3 square 9. So 4 means 4 square, 16 will be the answer. 16 will be the answer. Not like that. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. Then what is x value? What is x value? See here, what I said. 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 8, 13, 8 plus 13, 21. So 21 plus 13, so that is 34. 34 will be my answer. So like that. Otherwise, so this method also most very important. See here, one number I will take. Then what is the number they are asking? See, 2 2s are 4 minus 1 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 7 2s are 14 minus 1 13. 13 2s are 26 plus 1 27. Means into 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 1. See, 27 2s are 54 minus 1 53. 53 2s are 106. 106 plus 1, that is 107. Our answer will be 107 into 2. Plus 1 is completed before that. Now we have to do minus 1. Means 214 minus 1. 214 minus 1 is 213 is our answer. So this is 213 is the answer. So like that, this most very important rules are there. If you follow, you will get this one, this one, this one, this one. So whatever the diagram may be there, so you will get these answers. Next, last type, that is the last type, type 5. What is the type 5? See here. So the boxes will be given. So 3 by 3 box or 4 by 4 box or 5 by 5 box. Whatever the box they will give. Sometimes they will give like this also. So some boxes will be there. So you have to use these formulas. How you get this x? By multiplying these two numbers, adding some number. Otherwise, by adding this two number, by adding some number. Otherwise, these two number multiply and divide with another number, fix a number. If two numbers are there, then three numbers are there means these two numbers adding, subtracting this number. Are these two numbers adding, subtracting this number. Are these two numbers adding, subtracting this number. Are squares. Adding these three numbers, these three numbers and making the squares. Or this square number, this square number, this square number adding, and all square numbers adding. Otherwise, this square and this square adding, subtracting this square number. Or this square and this square adding, this square number subtracting. So like that, so many possibilities are there. Otherwise, so a plus b plus c whole square. So whatever they will give, they will think. So we have to identify. So for understanding, I am giving these rules, everything. So tomorrow, I am going to explain top 20 models. Means these 5 models will be given. Definitely tomorrow, every type I am giving 4. So we have explained just now 5 types. So 5 4s are 20 bits. Top 20 bits I will give tomorrow. So I think you understand this video. So if you like this video, please like this. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. And if you have any good opinion, please type in the comment section. And please share this video to all your friends. If you are the new student, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it.